Hey guys, it's Cupcake-tastic Queen here today, and I'm back with another really cool video. And today I'm going to be opening these two outfits, these two Be Forever outfits from American Girl. And I know probably a lot of you already got these two outfits, but I haven't got them yet, and now I finally got them. I've been waiting for them for a really long time, and I got these during the daily deals, so they were both about half price off. Samantha's frilly frock, which is this one, and I really like it, and it's just so cute and so pretty. And Kit's holiday outfit, and they've added some really cool stuff, so I'm just gonna show you guys, and I'm gonna open it. Hey guys, I'm back, and this is Samantha's frilly frock outfit. Now, this is actually a really pretty and fancy outfit. I've actually never thought that in the 1904s they would have such fancy clothes. I've always thought they would have dull, boring colors there, but actually they have really pretty colors, and this is why they call it frilly frock. So when you first open the package, you'll see this really pretty pearl pink dress with a very pretty purple bow, and it has it's really frilly and fancy. It has lots of laces on it. Then, these boots are actually really awesome. I actually wish I could wear these boots, and I've never actually thought that in the 1904s they would have pearls on their boots. And my mom, she did a little bit of research and told me that those days they actually did have these type of colors and they had this type of style. And I've never seen such cute stockings for dolls. These are pure white and they're so cute. I love them so much. And there's this really pretty hair tie, and it's a bow. So actually, I don't have a Samantha doll, but I do have a My American Girl number 25 with about the same color of hair as Samantha, a brunette hair color, and I think this would look really good on her, so I'm going to try it out. Okay guys, so I'm back, and this is my My American Girl number 25, Courtney and Samantha's frilly frock. So basically, this is the Samantha without bangs. I tried my best to actually tie the bow on the top like Samantha, except it didn't really work out because my doll doesn't have bangs. But it still looks okay. The dress it actually looks really nice on her. The boots look really nice. Everything fits. It's just that the part over here, I wish it wasn't that wide because it kind of makes the dress look a little bit different and kind of weird. But in other ways, it's just so beautiful. I love it so much. It matches my doll perfectly, and I think this is a super cute outfit. And now I'm gonna show you guys Kit's outfit. Okay, hey guys, I'm back, and this is Kit's holiday outfit. And do you see that little dog pin over there? It's actually Kit's mom's pin, and Kit's mom gave it to Kit as a little reminder of Kit's Uncle Hedrick's mean inky dog called Inky. So it's just a little reminder of that to keep her, to let Kit remember her family and everything. And I really like this outfit because I like how detailed they made it, and it's just so cute. I love this little belt. It's a wonderful decoration. And these shoes, they actually look really nice. They look like polished shoes. They're just so cute. And it also comes with this bow hair tie. Again, it's just so cute. It has polka dots on it, and it's almost like the same color as the dress, so that's just so cute. It just matches everything. And these are really cute socks, and I kind of really like socks because I don't have a lot of socks, and they're actually really soft. So that's Kit's outfit, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks on Kit because I do have the Kit Be Forever doll. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back, and this is how Kit looks in her holiday outfit. This dress is actually Ruthie's, who lended it to Kit, And I think this bow looks so cute in her hair. I really like it. And the socks are actually knee-high socks, so that's super cute. And the shoes are also really cute. So overall, I really like this outfit, and I think it looks super cool on Kit.